Hello friends, I am Pratima. I welcome you all to my channel. Uh, you can see a question on the screen, that is Math Olympiad challenge from trigonometry, and you have to solve the question cos power 10x minus sine power 10x equals to 1x belongs to 0 to 2 pi. So I can read out this expression as cos power 10x equals to 1 plus sine power 10x. Now we'll see both the analyze both left hand side and right hand side. We know that cos x is always less than equals to 1. So cos power 10x is less than equals to 1. And similarly sine x is less than equals to 1. So sine power 10x is less than equals to 1. Now LHS is less than equals to 1. But when you go to right hand side, RHS, since sine power 10x is greater than 1 and 1 plus less than equals to 1, it should be less than equals to 2. It is, or it is greater than 1. So RHS is your uh, is greater than equals to 1. So it is only possible when LHS equals to RHS, that means both are equals to 1. So we are getting cos power 10x equals to 1 and sine power 10x equals to 0. So when cos power 10x equals to 1, cos x equals to plus or minus 1. And when sine x equals to 0, x equals to your 0, x can be pi, x can be 2 pi. So cos 0, it will verify now, cos power 10x minus sine power 10x equals to 1. So x 0, this is 1, when x is equal to 0, this is 1 minus 0 equals to 1. So verify. If it is pi, cos pi is negative 1, negative 1 power 10, again 1, cos sine pi is 0, this is 1, verified. And when cos x is equal to 2 pi, so it will be again 1 minus 0, it is verified. So what is the generalization? That means cos power 2nx minus sine power 2 times of nx equals to always 1 when n is a positive integer, or 2n is even power. Solution is always n pi. So now can you find if cos power nx minus sine power nx equals to 1 if n is odd? What will be the solution? Or you can have another question. If it is question is sine power nx or 10x minus cos power, let me take 10x, this is for practice, you can find cos power 10x equal to 1. What will be the solution? So have practice, have solve new questions. Thank you for watching.